Hello together. In this video I want to show you how to set up your fingerprint to unlock your Huawei P50 Pro. I assume that you already have a pin to secure your lock screen, so I will just show it here. And you can see here I have to enter a pin. So now I go to settings. Even if you don't have it, it is no problem. You can go to biometrics and password and you can just type in the fingerprint ID. Click on fingerprint ID. And if you don't have a lock screen password at this moment, then he will ask you to set up a new one. So I have one already. So I type in 4 × 0 and everything's fine. Use fingerprint to unlock the device. That's great. And then new fingerprint. Press firmly on the fingerprint sensor zone. Your fingerprint may be less secure than a strong pin or pattern. Add fingerprint. And I say okay. And you can see here is the place where I must put in my finger and adjust a little bit. I must move my finger every time a little bit and roll to capture the edges. All right, here and here and here and here and here. Okay, so again. All right, here again and here again and here again. Okay, he wants to be sure. All right, so enrollment successful. Fingerprint 1 added. So okay, set up face recognition. I wouldn't advise you to do that because this camera isn't very secure to do face recognition. So I just click on cancel, and here you have your fingerprint 1, and I can rename it and delete it, and I can also add a new fingerprint. I can also identify my fingerprint. Hey, that's the fingerprint 1. So great. If I have more fingerprints, then I can just try to use this. And you can use now the fingerprint to unlock the device, to access safe, to access app lock, and autofill usernames and passwords. So everything's fine. And now I will go back to my lock screen, and you can see here I just press here my finger and everything's fine, and I'm now in my Huawei P50 Pro. But if I just try to use another finger, then it won't work. And I've tried and tried and tried. No, it doesn't work. So I have to enter my PIN or just use the right finger. So this is very cool on the Huawei P50 Pro, how to add your fingerprint. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see us the next time. Bye bye.